Good evening, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez says that Biden's Build Back Better Act must be passed soon, or else Democratic leaders will have a difficult time passing more new relief bills. Senator Bernie Sanders wants to make some huge changes to the social spending bill. These changes could greatly impact low and middle income Americans. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez said in an interview that Democrats need to pass their nearly $2 trillion social spending bill quickly, or progressives may not provide the votes for passage of other pieces of legislation. Representative AOC said, "I think the stakes are really high. The entire reason that the Progressive Caucus gave their votes for the infrastructure bill was based on direct promises from the president, as well as direct promises from more conservative Democratic holdouts, and from House leadership as well." Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez added, "If those promises don't follow through, it's going to be very difficult for them to get votes on anything and move forward, because the trust that was already so delicate will have been broken." The House voted to advance the reconciliation bill, a key win for House Speaker Nancy Pelosi of California, but it still faces a vote in the evenly split Senate. Democratic Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia, who has not yet committed to supporting the final bill, has expressed great concerns about inflation and paid leave provisions, which could dampen hopes for swift passage of the legislation. Ocasio-Cortez, one of the highest profile progressive lawmakers in Congress, also said if the Build Back Better Act is passed in its final form and is similar to the version advanced by the House, then members have a chance to go back to our communities and say we delivered. The Congresswoman, who laid out her trust issues with the handling of the bipartisan bill earlier this month, said that she thinks the party must be attentive to passing substantial legislation.
But now let me turn to today's announcement. 20 months ago, the COVID-19 pandemic exploded in America, creating the worst economic crisis we faced since the Great Depression, wreaking havoc not only on our economy, but the economies across the world. In just 2 months, over 20 million Americans lost their jobs, and unemployment rate shot up to 14.8%, the highest ever recorded in America. And all of you remember those scenes. Major cities and small towns, main streets that looked like ghost towns, boarded up businesses, empty roads, empty highways, empty airports, and empty train stations. Offices were closed, schools were closed, and hospitals were taken to the breaking point. When you remember the depths of the crisis we faced, it's all the more amazing the progress that we've made since then. We've gone from an economy that was shut down to an economy that's leading the world in economic growth. We've gone from small businesses being shuttered to a record number of new small businesses starting up. And we've gone from a devastating job destruction to record new job creation. Don't get me wrong, we still have a long way to go to fully recover from all the pain and destruction caused by the pandemic. And we're still dealing with the difficult challenges and complications caused by COVID-19 that are driving up costs for American families. I know for a lot of Americans, things are still very hard. But if you look at all the facts, you can only come to one conclusion. We've made enormous progress in this country. First and foremost, our economy is creating jobs, lots of jobs. In fact, we've seen a record new job growth in America this year, 5.6 million jobs just since I was sworn in January the 20th. More jobs created at this point in the new presidency than ever before in American history. We have seen a dramatic drop in the unemployment rate from a high of 14.8% in April of 2020 to 4.6% today. Earlier this year, independent experts were predicting it would take until the end of 2023 to see unemployment that low. Our economy is creating new businesses, lots of new businesses. In fact, Americans are starting small businesses at a record rate.
So friends, do you think that the Build Back Better Act should be signed into law this month? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is tomato soup. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure you click and like my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to comment below the key word from this video. Senator Bernie Sanders, the chairman of the Senate Budget Committee, is already envisioning some changes in the social spending bill. So in a statement, Bernie Sanders said he hopes to see the bill strengthened in a number of ways in the Senate. Specifically, he's calling for the wealthiest Americans and large corporations to pay their fair share of taxes. The slimmed-down framework omitted an increase of the corporate tax rate and the top tax rate for the highest-earning taxpayers. A billionaire's tax was also briefly in contention, but shot down within a day. Bernie Sanders also called for lower prescription drug prices and a Medicare expansion that would cover vision, dental, and hearing aids. Bernie Sanders also said that the Senate must act to combat climate change and transform our energy system away from fossil fuels. Other progressives and Bernie Sanders are likely to run up against opposition from key centrists like Senator Joe Manchin and Kyrsten Sinema, who both have been responsible for the package getting pared down from its original $3.5 trillion price tag. Sinema opposes higher taxes on the wealthy and corporations. Joe Manchin has pushed back on provisions like paid leave and the overall size of the package. Manchin has frequently expressed great concerns with the cost of the bill and how it will impact the U.S. budget. But given the Congressional Budget Office's statement that the Democrats' proposed framework would add $160 billion to the budget deficit over 10 years, Joe Manchin's inflation concerns might be eased. So now the bill heads to the Senate, and President Biden wrote in a statement that he hopes to sign a critical piece of his economic agenda into law as soon as possible. So friends, do you think Biden will be able to pass the bill this week? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well friends, that's the end of the video for this Monday evening. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I will be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards this coming Friday. And if you would like to enter my giveaway, please click and like all my videos. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much friends, and have a very blessed week.